Welcome back to the KK Autos. Today, we're diving into something truly special, a machine that carries the soul of American muscle with a fresh heartbeat of modern performance. This is the 2025 Chevrolet Camaro Yenko, a modern revival of a true street legend. If you're into pure horsepower, timeless design, and jaw-dropping presence, you're going to want to stick around for this one. This car isn't just a nod to the past. It's a full-blown resurrection. Let's kick things off with the design. From the moment you see it, the Camaro Yenko grabs your attention with its bold stance. It's finished in a rich, deep black that gleams under light, almost like molten obsidian. Every curve and contour of the body has been refined for modern tastes while staying true to that old-school muscle vibe. The body is wide, low-slung, and planted, a true performance silhouette that looks fast even when it's standing still. The long, sculpted hood hints at the monster beneath, while the widened fenders and aggressive side skirts add a sense of presence you just can't ignore. Up front, you get a large, vintage-inspired grille with chrome detailing that adds a subtle touch of elegance to the Camaro's otherwise mean face. The grille styling has cues reminiscent of the Rolls-Royce Spectre. Yes, that bold. But here it's adapted into something far more sinister and performance-driven. Sitting on either side are custom LED headlights, slim, sharp, and modern, bringing a fierce expression to the face of this beast. The lower bumper features sculpted air intakes that aren't just for show. They're feeding serious airflow to the powerhouse within. As you move to the side, the matte black multi-spoke alloy wheels immediately grab your eye. Wrapped in wide performance tires, these wheels aren't just good-looking, they're functional. Behind them sit high-performance Brembo-style brakes and blacked-out calipers, a must for a car with this kind of power. The side profile is a perfect blend of retro and modern. The classic Camaro silhouette enhanced with updated body lines, flared arches, and a side stripe that subtly highlights the Yenko SC badge near the front fender. The stance is aggressive, the ride height extremely low, and the reflections off the showroom lights dance beautifully across its glossy surface. From the rear, things get even better. The taillights are a modern reinterpretation of the original. Camaros with sleek, horizontal LED strips that provide a clean, distinctive signature at night. The black rear bumper houses two large rectangular chrome exhaust tips that look ready to roar. A black license plate with the Yenko SC engraving sits proudly in the center, reminding everyone this isn't your average Camaro. The whole back end is wide, low, and sculpted to perfection, giving the car an intimidating presence from every angle. Step inside, and the cabin greets you with a mix of heritage charm and high-tech execution. The doors open to reveal black leather performance seats, featuring bold side bolstering and custom white stitching. Embroidered into the headrests is the iconic Yenko logo, a touch that reinforces the car's collector status. The materials inside are top-tier. Leather, carbon fiber, and brushed aluminum line the dashboard and center console. The gauge cluster is a fusion of analog and digital, retro-style dials with customizable digital displays that offer modern functionality without compromising character. The center touchscreen is seamlessly integrated, offering Apple CarPlay, navigation, and performance telemetry, while the climate controls are handled by classic metal toggle switches that feel incredibly satisfying to use. The flat-bottom steering wheel is wrapped in leather with integrated controls and a bold Chevy logo at the center, flanked by subtle Yenko branding. Everything in here feels crafted for the driver, focused, tight, and premium. Now for the heart of the beast. Under the hood lies a hand-built supercharged 6.8-liter V8 engine that cranks out a staggering 1,050 horsepower. This isn't just for show. This Camaro means business. The power delivery is immediate and relentless. Mash the throttle, and you're pinned back into the seat as the car rockets forward with brutal acceleration. Despite its raw strength, the ride quality is surprisingly composed. The suspension has been finely tuned to handle corners with confidence, while still offering some ride comfort for street use. The exhaust note is pure muscle, deep, throaty, and gloriously loud when you want it to be, but calm and composed when cruising through town. And now, the big question. What does it cost to own this modern-day legend? The 2025 Camaro Yenko isn't mass-produced. Thanks for tuning in to KK Autos. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a deep dive into machines like this. Until next time, keep it fast, keep it loud, and keep it legendary.